Can you guess where I'm standing at? Well, right in front of India's largest convention and exhibition center. PM Modi hailed this architectural marvel as
एक कन्वेंशन सेंटर, एक एक्सपो सेंटर ही नहीं है, बल्कि देश और दुनिया के व्यापार कारोबार का एक जीता जागता वाइब्रेंट केंद्र होगा.
And today, Money Control has come to India International Convention Center, aka Yashobhoomi in Delhi's Dwarka. What are its features, its significance, and how can you reach here? I'll tell you all, so stay tuned and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. So how to reach Yashobhoomi? Well, if we talk about the location of IICC, it is located 10 km from Delhi International Airport and 25 km from the city centre of New Delhi, basically from Connaught Place. Well, the centre is both accessible by metro and road. The Airport Metro Express line of DMRC offers direct internal access to IICC, and the metro station of Dwarka Sector 21 on Blue Line of Delhi Metro also adjacent to the centre. Well, if you are planning to come to ICC via metro like we have come, you'll have to deboard at the ICC Dwarka Sector 25 metro station at the Airport Express line. Then you'll have to take the exit towards gate number 7. Well, that gate will take you directly to the ICC, but for now it is closed. So they have diverted the route towards gate number 1 and 2. You'll have to take the exit from here and then you'll have to walk for a bit and then you can reach to the destination. As per reports, it will be connected to the both Urban Extension Road 2 and Dwarka Expressway. IICC will also be specially connected to T3 of IGI Airport via a new underpass approach road. Prime Minister Modi on his birthday, that is the 17th of September, inaugurated the first phase of Yashobhoomi. And when fully ready, Yashobhoomi will be the world's largest MIC facilities. It has a project area of over 8.9 lakh square meters and a total built-up area of more than 1.8 lakh square meters. Developed at a cost of around 5,400 crore rupees, it boasts of a magnificent convention center, multiple exhibition halls and other facilities. Well, the convention center is built across more than 73,000 square meters of area. Spread across 8 floors, it comprises 15 convention rooms including the main auditorium, a grand ballroom and 13 meeting rooms with a total capacity of holding 11,000 delegates. The plenary hall with the convention center is equipped to seat approximately 6,000 guests and the grand ballroom can accommodate around 2,500 guests. The convention center is synonymous to sustainability. It has a modern wastewater treatment system, there are provisions for rainwater harvesting and the complex has received platinum certification from the Indian Green Building Council. Exhibition Center, on the other hand, has one exhibition hall which is divided into 4 parts. And according to the requirement, these halls can be modified in either 4 different halls or one big hall. Since Prime Minister Modi has launched the Vishwakarma scheme, a 3-day exhibition has been organized to celebrate different trades. The exhibition weaves the story of the advancement of traditional artisans and craftsmen from 18 trades by combining heritage and modern technology. 54 artisans and craftsmen from different parts of India following the Guru Shishya Parampara are participating in the exhibition. The exhibition displays high-end technological elements as well as a center zone depicting various components of PM Vishwakarma scheme through interactive technology. Showcasing the centuries-old traditions, an exclusive antiquity museum of tools and crafts of trades related to Vishwakarma has been created in the exhibition. Well, if you want to visit Yashobhoomi, you can and enjoy the Vishwakarma exhibition here. For now, there are no tickets to visit the exhibition hall, but there will be in near future. And the convention center will remain out of common man's reach. Hope you love this detailed tour of Yashobhoomi, and for more such content, keep watching Money Control.